Okay, let's proceed to problem number, MCQ number 9. If an ultrasound machine operates at a higher frequency, the image produced will, letter A, have higher resolution but less penetration depth. Letter B, have lower resolution but more penetration depth. Letter B, unaffected in both resolution and depth. Letter D, show only moving objects. Number 10, which wave property explains why ultrasound echoes are stronger at tissue boundaries with greater density differences? Letter A, refraction. Letter B, reflection. Letter C, diffraction. Letter D, interference. Number 11. In an MRI scan, the main type of waves used are letter A, light waves only, letter B, sound waves only, letter C, radio waves and magnetic fields, letter D, infrared and visible light. Number 12. Blue light used in phototherapy has a wavelength of about 100 nanometers. Letter B, 470 nanometer. Letter C, 1.0 millimeter. Letter D, 700 nanometer. Number 13. In ultrasound imaging, the speed of sound is faster in letter A, air than in bone. B, bone than in soft tissue. C, soft tissue than in water. D, air than in water. Number 14. Which of the following is not an application of light in medicine? A, phototherapy. Letter B, LASIK surgery. Letter C, endoscopy. Letter D, sonar imaging. Number 15. What does megahertz represent in the frequency setting of an ultrasound machine? Letter A, million hertz. B, million meters. C, microhertz. D, milliwatts. The answer key for lesson number 60, please proceed to lesson 61. And the answer key for lesson 59, understanding the properties of light and sound waves related to navigation, is as follows. Number 1, letter C, their reflection of solid objects. Letter number 2, letter B, GPS. Number 3, B, sound waves require a medium. Light waves can travel in a vacuum. Number 4, B, the time taken for a light wave to return. Now, number 5, letter B, reflection. Number 6, C, 1,480 meters per second. Number 7, letter A, fiber optic navigation systems. Number 8, D, color of the water. Number 9, B, determine the speed of a moving object. Number 10, C, light waves travel faster and can operate in space. Number 11, B, 3 seconds. Number 12, B, diffraction. Number 13, A, Snell's law. Number 14, B, hertz. Number 15, B, sonar. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.